Most people think that they need experience or expertise to start an online business, and that holds them back. But if you find a business that provides you with the strategy, with a step-by-step process on how to start, run, and maintain a successful online business, you can do this at nearly any age, no matter what your background. These beautiful roses here are from my husband, who gave them to me because I just turned 60. But I'm so grateful that I've even made it this far in life. Many haven't. So we have to have gratitude, and we have to realize that our time on this earth has given us skills we forget that we have. Valuable skills like communication, organization, problem solving, from working, volunteering, raising a family. We have perfected those skills, and we carry that into any sort of an online business that we may be wanting to pursue, and are better at it than we think. I've seen parents use their everyday skills to develop successful online businesses. I know a grandma of 3 beautiful little girls who's 55, who has made 6 figures online in the past 10 months because of her desire and her will and her why, which was to spend more quality time with her grandchildren and get out of that 9-to-5 that she's been working at for years. And she did that. If you have the right blueprint and the right strategy and the supports, you can make it work. Lots of times when starting an online business, one of the first things you think about, which is exactly one of my questions, is what am I going to sell? What product or service am I going to provide online that would be of value to people? Certain programs, like the one that I'm presently involved in, actually provide you with 4 digital, in-demand, proven online products. So you don't even have to do that. That work is already done for you. You just promote the concept behind it and show how it has worked for so many people. And these products are high quality products that give you 100% commission on the resale of these products. And that's because of something called the master resale rights. Master resale rights simply means that the product is produced by somebody else, but that producer actually gives the person purchasing the product the right to resell the product at 100% commission. And that's similar to Tim Horton franchises, Starbucks, neither of which produce that coffee product, but were able to sell that product to their customers and in return get 100% commission from the sale of that product. Franchises like Tim Hortons and Starbucks, of course, have a much larger investment than the business model that I'm presently in, which ranges from $100 to $900. Your investment would determine the number of products that you actually get the resale rights to. A lot of businesses actually do most of the setup for you. They provide you with the website. They provide you with the sales funnel. They have a community of like-minded business owners that are there to work with you. Any endeavor like working online always helps to have other experts and even new beginners that are there working with you along the way. Automation is a large part of the success of an online business. Automation allows you to spend time with your family rather than being stuck at work. This business model actually allows you to work only 2 hours a day to do high income producing activity, and we show you step by step exactly what that would involve, giving you the remainder of your day to do as you please, spend time with your family and live life on your terms. Automation provides an email system. We actually have 13 done for you emails, and you're able to add on to that email system, which keeps you in contact with potential clients. We have a funnel system, we have a landing page, we have a thank you page and a capture page. And all that means is that somebody lands on your social media account and is attracted to what you're advertising or the lifestyle that you're able to live and click on your link. It'll take them to a landing page. And in that landing page, they can put in their email and it would take you to a thank you page. That email would automatically be set up so that they receive 10 to 12 emails from us automatically, which gives them the opportunity to see if this business is actually something that they're interested in. It provides them with the value that we have associated with our business and lets them determine whether it's something they want to try. If this is something that you're interested in having a look at, just check out my link in the description below, a free blueprint on what we're all about. Many online businesses actually come with a large startup cost. You can actually start a business with less than the cost of the phone that you're watching me on right now, much less. And you're sure you know what you're investing in and if any hidden costs associated with it. This business model, there's no monthly recurring expenses, only recurring income to help you pay your bills. You do have the option to upgrade from the 1st level to the 4th level, and you would just pay the difference in each level, which will provide you with an additional digital product or resale. Look for an easy to follow blueprint in any business that you may consider starting, especially as a beginner with no experience. And for that community of other entrepreneurs that are working alongside you, we have a community porthole within our program that you have access to 24 hours, 7 days a week, where you can communicate with other members and ask questions that you may have about something you're stuck on. We have a clear step-by-step strategy that you can follow that takes you right from the beginning stages to more advanced as you advance. This program has been designed to make it simpler for the beginner. The step-by-step program helps you set up your business and maintain it. The majority of the setup is actually done for you. All the training is live and recorded, so if you're not available at the time of live Zoom, you will have access to the recorded Zooms. And we have up to 6-7 Zooms a week that help explain various aspects of the business. And you have the opportunity to speak one-on-one with the founder as well. Time freedom is essential. Working 2 hours a day will give you that time freedom and giving you the ability to have resources to enjoy the time that you have with your family, doing things that you probably always wanted to do, like vacationing, that you probably haven't been able to do in the past. If you're a busy mom or a busy professional, you can fit this business in around your free time. You can span it throughout your day to make it work, and you can make it work at whatever pace is comfortable to you. If you run into difficulties, our system has an 8-member tech team included in the program, and you have access to those members as well. So don't let not being experienced, not having a technical background, stop you from pursuing something that may allow you to live life on your terms and live out your dreams. Leave a legacy for your family. I started this business because I was working as a full-time nurse and my son was growing up too fast. So I actually left my career and started an online business so that I would have more time with him. And I hope to leave him a legacy and involve him in this business to help him live out his dreams as well. If you're not ready to leave your career and you just want this as a side hustle, it's so doable. If you're interested in starting something new and making a change for better, check out my other videos about starting an online business if you're a full-time mom, a full-time career person, or just ready for a change. Provide you with more options to live out your life the way you want.